si Tito Ranel.
So, ang wala mabusog, pwede mo balik ang kaon.
Extend sa time.
All right, so we are good. We thank the Lord for the food that He has provided. We bless His name for it because, you know, lots of places people do not have the meaning as well.
So, daghang mga lugar nga layo ulit dito di kaon sama nato.
So we got to be thankful.
Kailangan ni mapasalamatan ta.
We bless the Lord.
Katong i-bless the Lord.
We're going back to our study,
So, balik na ta.
and we were looking at what are we? The last portion there.
Here.
Is that the page?
Person that demonstrates the fruit of spirit.
Okay, we came up to the sound Bible knowledge. Where were we?
Sunday.